Amelia.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Amelia. You're going to get dizzy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
You want to catch Daddy?
What are you doing, baby girl?
Oh, you got me.
Tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Does Tickle Tickle want to go take a bath?
Hi, Pepper.
Hi, sweetheart.
She's not tired of it yet.
How are you?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Pepper.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Mommy.
Hi, Amelia. You're next time I'm going to ask her to give me 5. See if she does it or not. I don't know if she
Okay.
will.
Listen.
Pepper.
Hi, baby girl.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi,
Give me
Mommy.
5. There you go.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Hi, Pepper.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Amelia.
Hi, Mommy.
Give me 5. That's a girl.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.